Hey folks, welcome back to Feral Art, still in the abode of perfection art by Tracy. Say hi, Tracy.
Hi, Tracy.
There we go. This evening we're going to be doing a pearl pour, not a blowout. I fear that maybe you're getting tired of blowouts. So I decided that I would just give a shot to a regular pearl pour while I am in the home of the pearl pour queen, because where else, right? So let's just get down here on this canvas and get started. All right, so for our colors today, I have mixed up a new color. This is my Pearl Activator. This is 2 parts Vallejo Pearl Medium, 1.7 parts Artist Loft Soft Body Red, 3/10 of a part of Artist Soft Body Black, and 2 parts of US Floetrol, and 3 parts water, and then I added a little more water. So it's sort of a by feel thing. And our colors, I have Amsterdam Oxide Black, and I have Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet. Now with this one you might be able to see a little better the consistency of it. It's pretty thin. I have Amsterdam Titanium White, and I have Nick Pro Metallic Gold. So we're going with a pretty simple color palette today. Okay, so before I put down my Pearl Activator, I'm going to go ahead and layer my cup, which is going to be kind of weird because these are so thin. I'm not used to layering with thin paint. So down the side we go. Black, light blue violet. Wow, that's crazy. Tracy, this is crazy.
What?
Layering with thin paint.
Oh, I know.
Titanium white. Oh, and she's sinking. Titanium White said, nope, sinking.
Just started to say that. I bet that one's going to sink.
And our Nick Pro Metallic Gold, which will probably follow. Nope, it's floating, sort of. That's okay. We'll see what we get. Experimenting is the thing here. And more black. Oh, I should have put white between that black and gold and forgot. Oh well. Blue. And white. Remember when we had that whole conversation, Tracy, about gold and black?
Yeah.
I forgot. And gold. Okay, that's nuts, man. Nuts, I tell you. All right, put that down here. And I'm just gonna put this. It's sort of a burgundy color. It's kind of a purpley burgundy, which tells me that the Artist Loft Soft Body Black has a blue base, which is fine. Look at that prettiness, though. Wow, that is really pretty. I'm just gonna tilt this around and get it going everywhere. Tracy said it's important to get all the paint off that you can. And so that's good because there wasn't that much paint to get off because there wasn't that much paint in the cup. Because I wasn't going to do this. I was going to do a blowout and decided that, you know, no. So let's give that a little torch-a-roo. There's something in there. I saw it. Okay. All right, now with this layered cup, which has turned pretty interesting looking already, I'm just gonna do sort of a wandering something or other. Pretty close to the canvas. Look at that, Trace.
Oh, that's pretty.
Isn't that
Man,
nuts?
even if that doesn't pearl,
It's still gonna be pretty.
so pretty.
But it's all gonna be this color because all my pearls gonna.
If it were me, though, I would leave. It's so pretty with your background. I would go corner to corner and leave these two corners negative space.
Maybe I will.
Yeah, that's really
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. But if it doesn't turn out, I didn't.
That's right. You didn't say nothing. Well, if it doesn't turn out, it won't be the first one I've had not turn out. I won't cry. All right, so we're going to do that. We're just going to go from corner to corner. I will widen it a little bit, but here we go. I'm going to go off that corner first. And stop. And flip. Go back the other way. Kind of like to get that big blue puddle off of there, although the gold is really pretty in it. There we go. That is really pretty.
It's so pretty.
That's nuts, man.
Yeah. Even if you don't get pearls.
Even if I don't get pearls, it's still gonna be pretty.
Because it still blows my mind that you don't have any satin enamel in your base and you get pearls.
None. Oops, there's another boogie bug. Why with the boogers already? Where did it go? I think it was right here. Maybe it wasn't. There it is. I see it. Everybody quit looking. There we go. And it's still there. You rotten son of a gun. Gonna have to quit here in a minute because we got pearls a popping.
Nice.
When you got pearls a popping, you can't just keep going.
Started stopping.
That's right. Okay, I'm stopping.
Look at them pearls.
I'm gonna put this on time lapse, and I will see y'all in a bit. Okay, here are our wet results. We definitely got pearls, lots and lots of pearls. I like that it kept that little streak down the middle. That makes me very happy. It looks almost like somebody has poured something and it has hit the bottom and splashed up. Pretty neat. That was about 15 minutes of time lapse. So that's what we got. Now we'll see what else we get. Sometimes we get, you know, late breaking stuff. But I really like the way this turned out. As you can see, we can still see canvas through parts of this. Now, I did paint my sides and edges, but, you know, we'll deal with that later. There's another little boogie I need to get. Okay. Anyway, here we are. We've got pearls for days. Tracy keeps saying, I can't believe you don't put any satin enamels in that and you still get pearls. Yes, I do. I think it's just the Vallejo. I think it's magic. I don't do anything weird. I don't spit in it or nothing, you know. Sorry about the glare. We've got all kinds of lights over here. And, you know, it's kind of like my studio. You're always going to have a glare. So anyway, there we go. Would you like to go sparkly hunting? Would you? Okay, we'll go. Okay, a sparkling, we will go. Indeed. That's the neat thing about this Vallejo is you always have sparkles in your pearls. It's very cool, I think. What do you think? I like the way those colors are coming up through. Or the way that the pearls are letting the color come up through, I guess I should say. But look at these. Man, they all look like little flowers, jellyfishes and stuff. But there is really a lot going on here. And I know a lot of y'all, and I'm kind of in this camp too, I don't like when they take over, completely. But we do have some color down here that stayed. And I like it. And I think it's cool. The gold and the blue did kind of make a greenish cast. But I don't care. I really don't think I care this time. I think I like it anyway. So, you know, that's good since it's here and there's nothing I can do about it now. So, anyway, thanks y'all for sticking around to see my sparklies. And I will see you when it is dry. Okay, here are our dry results with Tracy as our easel. Say hi, Tracy.
Hi, Tracy.
There you go. All right, so here are dried results. Look at these. Isn't that nuts? I love that little white border on there, and I'm glad that we left our negative space over there. I think this turned out just so flipping cool. What do you think, Tracy?
I love it. I think it is so cool. And no satin enamel.
No satin enamel anywhere, dudes. So, yep, we got pretty much what I wanted. And the green tint kind of went away. Tracy, can you tilt it up just a little bit? There we go. Now, this one's not as glistening as the one with the Sargents. But would you hold still, please? I feel like when I put the varnish on it, that's really going to pop the whole thing. So, yep. Got our little pearls and our bigger pearls and our splash on the bottom. And Tracy thinks it should go the other way. She thinks it should go this way. I think this looks like a weird sea creature. But if you buy it, you can put it whichever way you want to.
Vote in the comments which way.
Yeah, vote in the... Okay.
Or Kelly's way.
Tracy said vote in the comments. My way or her way. So this is my way. And this is Tracy's way. Or you could vote for some other way. That way. Or that way. There you go. All right. So anyway, or that way. There's our painting. Please do let me know what you think. Please stand still.
Hey, your labor's cheap.
Yeah, my labor is cheap. I heard you were cheap. That's what I heard. So anyway, do subscribe if you haven't yet. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. Tell me which orientation you like best. And thanks so much for spending your time with me. I appreciate it more than you know. And I will see you next time. Bye.